So today is sort of bittersweet. I have some eggs that I waterglassed from chickens I had. My first flock of chickens, and I had 7 of them, and 4 of them were killed by neighborhood dogs, died at the same time, but I had to rehome 3 of them because the dogs had really destroyed their chicken coop. And I have a video about that, about starting over after chicken loss. But it's bittersweet because I learned from Jess Sowards at Roots and Refuge Farm about putting an egg into your tomatoes when you plant them. So just to commemorate my chickens and kind of let them go on by feeding my garden, I'm going to use their eggs to plant my tomato plants this year. Another thing is though, these were started in September. You can't see the date, but September 10th, 2023, and it'll be an opportunity for that doggone AC. It'll be an opportunity for me to see if I got the water glassing thing down. All right, let's get started. I want to crack one of these eggs and see the condition of the eggs. And this was done with pickling lime, just non-chlorinated water and pickling lime. So this was done September 10th, and this is April 28th. Well, they're watery. They smell funky. Yeah. Well, we're going to use it in my Thorn Bird Terracotta. So when you are planting a tomato plant, you want to plant it deep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these leaves, and I usually throw the leaves down in a hole. And I'm going to leave about that much. About that much. I'm sure y'all seen other people do this, because it'll root all the way up here. So I'm gonna go get my fertilizer, and I'll be right back. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe. Thank you. Here I am planting plants that aren't as tall as the other ones. In that case, you don't have to dig the hole that deep. You only dig it as deep as needed to accommodate as much of the stem of the tomato plant without burying too much and not leaving the leaves out.